To our top story this morning is the arrest of Disha Ravi. The Delhi police is all set to tighten its noose around a 21-year-old climate activist, Disha Ravi. She's been put in 5-day custody in the toolkit case probe. The cops are now going to be interrogating Disha over who approached her with the toolkit document. The probe team is also looking for two other activists, Nikita Jacob and Shantanu. The cops are hunting for other members of the WhatsApp group allegedly created by Disha. This is to draft the toolkit. According to police, Disha deleted her phone data. Earlier, the Delhi police claimed that Disha Ravi drafted the toolkit before sharing it with Greta Thunberg. However, she suggested Greta to remove the documents once the details were leaked. The cops have also alleged that Disha had a link with, and this is an allegation coming in, that she had links with a Khalistani outfit conspiring to create unrest in India. Congress CPI have also demanded Disha's arrest. Even US Vice President's niece Meena Harris also tweeted to condemn the arrest.
A toolkit allegedly to spread protest, unrest and anarchy. Shared and then deleted by Swedish climate activist Greta Thunberg. A sinister plot to create unrest in India busted. Backed by global celebrities like Rihanna and former porn star Mia Khalifa. After FIR against pro-Khalistani groups, accusing them of planning a cultural and economic war on India. The Delhi police, after arresting 21-year-old Bengaluru activist Disha Ravi, made sensational charges, claiming that Disha Ravi drafted and shared the toolkit with activist Greta Thunberg and telling her to delete it once sensitive details were leaked. Disha is even accused of links to Khalistani group Poetic Justice Foundation, which allegedly called to disrupt India's chai and yoga image.
सूत्रों के मुताबिक इस नफरत भरे टूलकिट के मामले में कई और चर्चित और बड़े नाम रडार पर हैं, जिनको गिरफ्तार करने के लिए साइबर सेल अलग अलग राज्यों में रेड कर रही है। बहुत जल्द उनकी भी गिरफ्तारी होगी। साइबर सेल का कहना है कि दिशा रवि इस टूल किट के मामले में महज एक कड़ी है। कई और किरदार हैं जो जल्द सामने आएंगे।
Disha, the first to be arrested in the case, was sent to 5-day custody of Delhi police on Sunday. Meanwhile, the Coalition for Environmental Justice has condemned Disha's arrest, calling it illegal and a bid to defame the farmers' stir.
This government is trying to use students and activists over a period of time is again something that we're aware of. Framing students is something that has been going on for a long time. Students of Bangalore are aware. They've woken up. The rest of India is waking up. And we are going to continue to stand with Disha until she is released.
In fact, the students over here very clearly stating that one, they're against what really happened to Disha. They are demanding that Disha be released. And also, finally, they say that they're going to approach the police over here, symbolically, in fact, giving that particular sapling. The reason being that Disha was a climate activist. And very simple, they just want her to be released.
Cops now hope to make more arrests after grilling of Disha. With inputs from Arvind Ojha in Delhi and Nolan Pinto in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.